different places where you will accelerate the particles. So in this case, it's these metal boxes that you see here. That's one of the accelerating modules. This one here is another accelerating module, and then there's just pipes that connect to them where the particles drift.